Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the PicSo app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step to use. So here I will just open the PicSo app at here. Okay. So here you have to click on get started. So if you if you want, you can just do so login. I'm not here like in the pro mode. Okay, just click on here, then you can select your anime girl to text. You can just do whatever you want. So for example, uh, from here you can just swipe the face also. If you want to swipe here, just click on here, and to swipe that, just buy the pro, and you can just, it will cost you about like a $50 a year. You can buy and you can use it. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any questions, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. And thank you for watching.